Welcome to our channel, where we share tips and strategies on how to make money online. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make money by selling products on Amazon. If you're interested in learning how to build a successful online business, keep watching for our top 10 tips. Tip 1. Find a profitable niche to sell products on Amazon. You need to find a profitable niche with high demand and low competition. This means finding products that people are willing to buy but are not readily available or are too expensive. You can use tools like Jungle Scout to help you find profitable products. Jungle Scout is a tool that can help you analyze Amazon product listings and determine how well they're selling. You can use this tool to find the best niches and products to sell on Amazon. Tip 2. Conduct market research. Once you've identified a profitable niche, it's important to conduct market research to determine the demand for your products. Look for trends, search volume, and competition to help you identify the best products to sell. You can use tools like Google Trends and Amazon's bestseller rank to get an idea of what's currently popular and in demand. Conducting market research is a critical step in the process of selling products on Amazon. Once you have identified a profitable niche, you need to determine the demand for the products you want to sell. This is where market research comes in. Market research involves looking at the trends in the market, the search volume for the products, and the level of competition. You want to identify products that are in high demand, but have low competition. This will give you a better chance of making sales and generating profits. One way to conduct market research is to use tools like Google Trends and Amazon's bestseller rank. Google Trends allows you to see the search volume and interest over time for specific keywords or topics. This can give you an idea of the popularity of a particular product or niche. Tip 3. Choose the right product category. Choosing the right product category is essential when selling on Amazon. You need to find categories that have high demand and low competition to increase your chances of success. You can use Amazon's bestseller rank to find the best categories to sell in. This tool will show you the most popular products in each category, which can help you identify which categories are worth targeting. Tip 4. Source your products. To sell products on Amazon, you'll need to source your products. You can either manufacture your own products or find reliable suppliers and manufacturers who can provide you with high-quality products at a reasonable price. You can use online marketplaces like Alibaba and AliExpress to find suppliers and manufacturers. You can also attend trade shows and exhibitions to find reliable suppliers and manufacturers. Tip 5. Optimize your product listing. To attract more customers and increase sales, you need to optimize your product listing. Use high-quality images, write clear and concise product descriptions, and include relevant keywords in your listing. This will help your product stand out in the search results and make it more likely that customers will click on your product and make a purchase. You can use tools like Amazon's listing optimization tool to optimize your product listing and make it more appealing to customers. Tip 6. Price your products competitively. Pricing your products competitively is a key factor in succeeding on Amazon. You need to consider the pricing of your competitors and set your prices accordingly. Keep in mind that customers are always looking for the best deal, so make sure to price your products competitively while also ensuring that you make a profit. You can also use tools like Camel to track pricing trends and adjust your prices accordingly. Tip 7. Utilize Amazon's advertising tools. Amazon offers several advertising tools to help you increase your product visibility and sales. Sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display are three of the most popular tools that you can use to promote your products and reach a wider audience. You can use these tools to target specific keywords, products, or customer interests and increase your chances of making a sale. Tip 8. Provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial to building a successful online business. Respond to customer inquiries and reviews promptly, and provide refunds or replacements when necessary. Your goal should be to build a loyal customer base that will keep coming back to your store and recommending your products to others. Providing excellent customer service is key to establishing a positive reputation and building a loyal customer base. It starts with promptly responding to customer inquiries and addressing any concerns they may have. This can include responding to emails or messages quickly, providing helpful and informative responses, and offering solutions to any issues or problems. In addition to responding to customer inquiries, it's also important to monitor and respond to customer reviews. Positive reviews can be a powerful marketing tool and can help build trust with potential customers. On the other hand, negative reviews can be damaging to your business, but responding to them in a professional and helpful manner can turn a negative experience into a positive one. Tip 9. Monitor your performance metrics to track your progress and make adjustments. It's important to monitor your performance metrics. Keep an eye on your sales, conversion rates, and customer feedback to help you improve your business. Amazon provides several tools and reports that can help you track your performance metrics and make data-driven decisions. Tip 10. Continuously improve your business. The online selling landscape is constantly changing, and it's important to stay ahead of the competition by continuously improving your business. Experiment with new products, optimize your listings, and stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies in online selling. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things to help your business grow and succeed. And there you have it, the top 10 tips on how to make money by selling products on Amazon. Remember, researching your product niche, conducting market research, optimizing your product listing, offering competitive pricing, utilizing Amazon's advertising tools, providing excellent customer service, managing inventory and fulfillment, getting reviews and feedback, expanding your product line, and continuously analyzing and adjusting your strategy are all key to building a successful Amazon business. With these tips, you can start your journey towards becoming a successful Amazon seller and making a profit from the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your entrepreneurial endeavors. And there you have it, the top 10 tips on how to make money by selling products on Amazon. By following these tips, you can build a successful online business and start making money on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.